Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, I'm going to talk about a quick tip on how to enable dark mode in Power BI Desktop. Before trying to enable, why it is so important? Basically, dark mode will help you to reduce your eye strain even in the low lights. That is the primary factor that we are thinking about to enable the dark mode. So with this note, let's try to jump into today's topic. Before that, this channel contains a free content that contains SQL Server, MS BI, Power BI and fundamentals of Azure. Please utilize this free content, share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Let's begin. So this is our conventional Power BI desktop, and which is a legacy. And let me show you where you can see this option. So options and settings, options, and then you have the report settings under global, right? And you have a customize appearance. Here you see the legacy. So this is right now in the legacy mode, and this is where you can see the dark mode. So once you click on it, you can see immediately it will be turned to a dark mode. There is no need to restart your Power BI desktop as well. And as you can see, when you click on a new page, the outline or the canvas is in the dark mode, not in this report layer, right? The drag and drop in the data pane on the report canvas. Only the outlines of this report pane is in the dark mode. Whereas when you go to the table view and model view and DAX query view, even the Power Query, right, everything will be turned to your dark mode. So this is what you need to enable this as a dark mode. In order to view your Power BI desktop in dark mode, you can enable it. There is other quick thing I want to share with you. Like, there is other way how you can enable this dark mode is like, you can, if your system is set to default as a dark mode, then you need to enable this system default, then also you can enable the dark mode. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So I'm reverting back to system default here, from the dark mode to system default. My current system default is nothing but, if you go to the settings, personalization, and then colors, my current system default is light. That is why it is also appearing in the light mode. Now when I choose this one to dark, right, immediately my Power BI desktop also turns to dark. So there are two ways that you can enable Power BI desktop into a dark mode. If your system settings is dark, then you can make it as default, or choosing in the system default or dark will enable you the dark mode. I hope you like this tip and start using the dark mode. If you are new to this channel, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. And do remember that data is your asset.